Okay, this is a Bellows system that's been rebuilt for a customer in Florida, university professor as I understand it, and this is to show him how to put this back together. It's going to be shipped to him in pieces. This is the main piece, but these all don't have to be attached to it because we now have a gasket. 2 screws here, 2 screws here, 2 screws, and this is bolted to the board, and this other one is bolted to the board as well. So there's a screw that goes this way, and there's a screw under here that goes up into there. Both sides are the same. The springs someone has had some trouble with in the past because the springs go in one precise location, and there's another spot, the other side of this, where the other end of the spring goes. It must go in the, you've got 2 teeth on the ends of the spring that need to go in the largest holes that are in the wood. If they're in the wrong spot, they're going to be banging against here, or they're going to be banging against this, and they're going to be flipping out and going across the room. So make sure they're in the right spot. This side is the same. I have circled the spot where the teeth on this one go, and I've also circled another spot on the other side of this where they go. Several people have put them back in the wrong place, so there's a bunch of little panty spots where the teeth go, but you want the biggest ones. You want to use the biggest ones because that's where the factory wanted to put them. Okay, so now that it's in position, this screws to the back of the organ pedal, and it's going to do this. The other pedal. So when you pedal it, it's going to be doing this. The springs are inside the reservoir. You won't ever be able to get to them without dismantling the reservoir again. Okay, these 2 screws, they screw on this board. There's 2 more at that end. And then there are screws all along this slot, which is the wind slot, or suction. It runs on suction. So you've got screws, 2, like that. And this has been gasketed. It was originally glued, but we have to pull it apart to rebuild it. We can't use the glue joint, and we never glue it back because you're going to have to rebuild it again in 50 years. And so we want that to be no big deal for the next rebuilder. So that should give you an idea of how to put it back together.